Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 40i, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card and also SD card into this phone. Let me quickly grab a couple cards. There we go. Now you will need an SIM eject tool for this, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of those, let's take off the case if you have one on your device. If you don't, you can just jump straight into popping out the SD card or tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding. And you want to push it in. And you will see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. Now when it comes to SIM cards, you can use both of these trays at the same time or just one, and with just one it doesn't matter which one you use. From there, insert it back into your device, and these cards should start working right away. Now the card that I did insert does not have any kind of pin on it, so it won't show up with anything, but it is already looking for reception. It might not find it, as this card has been laying here for a while, so it could be deactivated already. But you can see that the SD card is being detected. When you pull down your notifications, you get pop-up right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.